Best jobs in the world. Our jobs determine our well-being, so it's only natural that we're always on the lookout for the best jobs out there. A great job will be a job that allows you to pursue your career goals and earn a lot of money in the process. Factors like a positive work environment, retirement savings schemes, reasonable working hours, opportunities for career advancement, and very lovely wages all count for what makes a job great. However, wages appear to be the most straightforward metric to use to judge the best jobs, and so I have compiled a list of 25 of the best jobs out there. I relied on data from the United States Federal Bureau of Labor Statistics to compile our list. You should know that healthcare jobs are well represented on this list, and if you're looking for a high-paying job, it's one of the most promising sectors. So below are the 25 best jobs in the world. 1. Neurosurgeon. Neurosurgeons spend years in medical school perfecting their craft, and they are well rewarded for their efforts. Neurosurgery is quite possibly the most complicated type of surgery, and extreme levels of skill are required to be licensed to practice as a neurosurgeon. The average annual pay of neurosurgeons is $382,000, and acclaimed practitioners in the field can earn millions of dollars a year. If you're looking for the best jobs out there, this one is at the very top of the list. 2. Anesthesiologist. A job that requires 4 years in medical school, another 4 years in residency, and a master's degree must pay, well, it must pay a lot. Anesthesiologists have one of the best jobs in the world. They help save lives and get paid a lot to do so. Anesthesiologists administer anesthetics before, during, and after surgery. It is a job that requires a lot of training to master, and the number of anesthesiologists in the world is still in the thousands. If you are interested, you need at least 5 years of experience and a master's degree before you can get the job. The average annual pay for anesthesiologists is $267,000. 3. Surgeon. Neurosurgeons are not the only surgeons that earn 6 figures a year. Other surgeons are also among the highest earning professionals. A surgeon spends years in medical school, and then spends more years to master specialization in a specific field. And this explains why the United States has less than 40,000 surgeons. The average annual salary of surgeons is $265,000, and it's safe to say it is one of the best jobs you can have. However, it's a very demanding job. Surgeons often deal with critical life and death situations, and they can be in the operating theater for hours at a stretch. 4. Gynecologist. As mentioned earlier, the medical field is your safest bet if you're trying to get one of the best jobs in the labor market. Gynecologists specialize in female health, specifically female reproductive health. They are also well paid and can earn $238,000 a year. 5. Orthodontist. The United States has less than 10,000 orthodontists, and when the supply of talent is inferior to demand, wages rise exponentially. Orthodontists specialize in teeth corrective measures and the fixing of braces. The average annual salary of orthodontists is $225,320. 6. Psychiatrist. They care for our mental health, and it is only fair that they earn a ton of money. The average annual salary of psychiatrists is $220,380, and it is one of the best paid jobs in the world. 7. Investment banker. Investment bankers were the villains of the 2008 financial crisis. Still, that setback hasn't stopped them from earning a lot of money every year. An investment banker can earn up to a cool $209,000 a year. The job entails market research, analysis of financial reports, building and improving financial models, and making investment decisions on behalf of clients. If you're interested, you should know you need to be a math guru, and you will need an MBA. 8. General medical practitioner. Medical practice is one of the most fulfilling jobs, and it also pays well. The medical field is broad, and there are general medical practitioners and specialist medical practitioners. General practitioners have broad medical expertise, and they are the first point of contact when seeking medical help. They are the ones that refer patients to specialist physicians. General practitioners can earn up to $203,000 a year, but the process of becoming a doctor is not easy. Ultimately, the years spent in medical school and residency are rewarded with the exceptional wages doctors earn. 9. Chief executive. The bosses are well paid. Who knew? Chief executives can earn millions of dollars a year in basic salary and bonuses. Still, the average annual earnings of chief executives are about $200,000. It's a leadership role, and it requires a wide range of skills and professional qualifications. Hence, they thoroughly deserve their hefty wages. 10. Pediatrician. They are responsible for treating children, and they are handsomely rewarded for it. It's one of the best jobs in the world. In addition to the satisfaction gotten from helping a child get better, a pediatrician can earn up to $183,000 a year. 11. Dentist. It's fair to say you were warned, and the reality is that medical practitioners simply dominate the money-spending jobs. Dentists specialize in dental care, and they diagnose and treat gum and teeth problems. You will need a degree in dentistry and some other training to get your license, but the pay should drive you. The average annual salary of dentists is $175,000. 12. Nurse anesthetist. Nurses are paid handsomely, but it's nurse anesthetists that earn the most money among nurses. The average annual salary of nurse anesthetists is $175,000, and that trumps the average earnings of engineers and software developers. They are responsible for administering anesthesia during surgery and other relevant medical procedures. They assist surgeons and anesthesiologists during surgeries. 13. Pilot and flight engineer. It takes years of vigorous training, using expensive equipment, to become a pilot, and it is of little surprise that pilots are among the highest paid professionals. It's one of the few jobs on this list that doesn't always require a college degree, but you must meet strict height, vision, and hearing requirements. The average annual salary of pilots is $170,000. Pilots are not alone in flying a plane. They are also accompanied by flight engineers. The engineer is responsible for the navigation equipment on the aircraft and can earn up to $128,000 a year. 14. Petroleum engineer. The people who drill for black gold are paid handsomely. Petroleum engineers must not only possess a relevant degree, but they must also have mastery of a range of software tools. They are responsible for designing and developing machines and platforms that are used to extract oil and natural gas. The average annual salary of petroleum engineers is $155,000. 15. Software engineer. It's one of the best jobs you can have. You get to use your creativity to design and build technological solutions, and you get paid a lot of money for it. Also, you don't need a college degree to become a software engineer. Many software engineers are indeed college educated. However, if you have an affinity for code, you can partake in online coding boot camps and get the skills and certifications you need to get your dream job. The average annual salary of software engineers is $153,000. 16. Podiatrist. They don't take the traditional medical school path of doctors, and they are awarded a DPM, Doctor of Podiatric Medicine. However, they still earn up to $148,000 a year. They are foot doctors, and they treat foot infections and any related health issues. 17. Architectural manager. Planning and coordinating construction projects pay well, and you can earn $146,000 a year in this line of work. 18. Marketing manager. Every company invests in marketing, and marketing managers design and execute the marketing strategies of the organizations they work for. The job entails a wide range of responsibilities, including creating and analyzing marketing campaigns, designing and implementing promotional strategies for products and company initiatives, managing the marketing team, and ensuring that everything is done within the boundaries of the marketing budget. This explains why marketing managers earn a lot of money. The salary of marketing managers varies from one industry to another. Still, a marketing manager can earn up to $145,000 a year. 19. Financial manager. The wealth of high net worth individuals continues to grow, and their demand for smart people that can help them manage their wealth has also increased. If you are managing millions of dollars for your client, then you should naturally expect healthy compensation for your efforts. The average annual salary of financial managers is $146,000. The requirements of the job are extensive, and that explains the hefty wages. They coordinate the financial planning and investment activities of their clients. They also aid their clients in the procurements of assets, like real estate, yachts, and more. 20. Attorney. Many TV shows give us a lot of insight into the legal profession, and it is no surprise that the job is one of the best jobs out there. Law is one of the noble professions, and lawyers can be seen in the upper echelons of the society of every country in the world. They play a vital role in our societies, providing legal defense to accused persons, protecting clients in civil suits, drafting our laws, and helping families to manage and transfer assets from one generation to another. In the United States, lawyers need to earn the first degree before going to law school, and it is no surprise that lawyers make a lot of money. Some lawyers earn 7 figures a year, but the average annual salary of lawyers is $144,000. 21. Sales manager. Managerial roles tend to pay well, and sales management is no exception. A sales manager plans and coordinates the distribution of goods and services to customers. They manage sales staff, and they assign sales territories and quotas to their team. Their primary role, along with ensuring goods and services get to customers, is to gear all the resources of their department towards meeting sales targets set for the year. They track sales statistics to ensure these targets are met and monitor customer behavior to keep in touch with customer preferences. The average annual salary of sales managers is $141,000. 22. Natural sciences managers. Laboratory managers, research managers, health sciences managers, fisheries managers, managers for environmental programs, and senior investigators are all life sciences managers. These roles require expertise in the fields of mathematics, life sciences, statistics, and physical sciences. They primarily coordinate research and development in their respective roles. They are among the highest earners in the world, and they can earn up to $140,000. 23. Web developers. The internet is a key pillar of our modern society and the new wealth that has been created in the past decade. And it's fair to say web developers are the major players in the internet age. Web developers build the millions of websites and thousands of applications that we rely upon every day, and the demand for their skills has only continued to grow. Fortunately, you don't need a college degree to become a web developer. There are many online programs where you can learn the necessities and become a certified web developer. A highly skilled web developer can earn up to $135,000 a year. 24. Compensation and benefits managers. The human resource management field pays well, and compensation and benefits managers are the highest earners in this field. They are responsible for planning and implementing compensation and benefits schemes for employees and managerial staff in the organizations they work for. A compensation and benefits manager can earn up to $132,000 a year. 25. Pharmacists. We will round up this list with another health-related profession. Pharmacists play a crucial role in our health, and they are indispensable to medical practitioners. They interpret prescriptions and ensure patients get the right drugs and use the correct dose. You will need a pharmacy degree to become a pharmacist. Still, the years you spend in school will be well rewarded with generous wages. Pharmacists can earn up to $130,000 a year. Well, that's our list for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and enable notifications by clicking on the bell icon. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one.